WhatsApp Verification Code, a step-by-step guide.
Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to guide you on how to enter the verification code in WhatsApp after receiving it through email. It's a straightforward process that you'll be able to do in no time.
What is a verification code?
A verification code is a security measure used by many online platforms to ensure that you're the one trying to access your account. It's typically a string of numbers and/or letters, and is sent to you when you're setting up WhatsApp or if you're trying to verify your identity on an existing account.
Receiving the verification code.
The first step is receiving the verification code. You will receive this code via email from WhatsApp. Open your email and look for an email from WhatsApp. Inside this email, you'll find the verification code. Note: always ensure that the email is genuinely from WhatsApp to avoid phishing scams.
Opening WhatsApp.
Next, open your WhatsApp application on your phone. If you're at the stage where you need to enter a verification code, it should open to a screen where you can enter this code.
Entering the verification code.
Now, you need to enter the verification code. Look at your email and find the verification code that WhatsApp sent you. Enter this code into the input field on your screen. Be sure to double-check that you have entered the code correctly.
Confirming the verification code.
Once you've entered the code, you'll need to confirm it. Tap on the Next or Confirm button to proceed. WhatsApp will then verify the code. If everything is correct, you'll be taken to the next stage of the setup process, or you'll be logged into your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to enter your verification code in WhatsApp. Remember, this is an important security step, and always ensure you're entering the code in your own secure WhatsApp application. If you found this guide helpful, please like and share. Thanks for watching.